Hey, how are them guys today? Look at them big birdies. Yeah. What, you want to see what I got? You can have that. They're getting big. They're getting big. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna go under Mama. Yeah, he go under Mama to be safe. Yeah. Oh, he didn't. He got out. He's gonna go under Mama. You see them babies, Lucy? Look down here. He's sitting up so big. Yeah. Look at them. Sailor, ow, don't. Hurts my thumb. Yeah. Let's see. Let me see your leg. Little guy. Or little girl, whatever. Oh, yes. Lucy, you're scaring them.